Welcome. This is a place to learn English through stories and real conversations.
You improve listening and speaking and learn about life, culture, and simple ideas at the same time.
More practice, more confidence, and more fun with every story.
Yesterday is always behind us. It is finished. We cannot change it. But we can learn from it. And we can move forward without regret. I want to tell you my story. It is about 1 week. In this week, I tried to learn from yesterday. I wanted to grow. I wanted to feel strong. I wanted to feel free. On Monday, I made a mistake. I forgot my keys. I stood outside my door. I felt angry. I said, "Why did I forget?" But then I stopped. I said, "I will not regret. I will learn." So I made a plan. I put my keys in one place. Now I always know where they are. Yesterday taught me. Today is better. On Tuesday, I spoke too fast. My friend did not understand me. I felt embarrassed. I wanted to hide. But I said, "No regret. Only learning." So I slowed down. I spoke clearly. My friend smiled. Yesterday showed me my mistake. Today gave me success. On Wednesday, I ate too much cake. It was sweet. It was soft. But my stomach hurt. I felt heavy. I said, "Why did I eat so much?" Then I said, "No regret. Only learning." So the next day, I ate one small piece. It was enough. Yesterday gave me pain. Today gave me balance. On Thursday, I forgot to call my mother. She waited. She felt sad. I felt guilty. I said, "I am a bad child." But then I said, "No regret. Only learning." So I called her the next morning. I said, "I am sorry. I will try again." She smiled. She forgave me. Yesterday showed me care. Today gave me love. On Friday, I was late for work. The bus was slow. My boss was not happy. I felt nervous. I said, "Why me?" But then I said, "No regret. Only learning." So I set my alarm earlier. I left home sooner. The next day, I arrived on time. Yesterday gave me stress. Today gave me peace. On Saturday, I argued with a friend. I shouted. I said words I did not mean. I felt ashamed. I said, "I cannot change it." But then I said, "No regret. Only learning." So I sent a message. I said, "I am sorry. I care about you." My friend answered. We talked. We laughed again. Yesterday gave me anger. Today gave me friendship. On Sunday, I felt tired. I wanted to stay in bed. I wanted to do nothing. I said, "I wasted my day." But then I said, "No regret. Only learning." So I rested. I gave my body time. The next day, I felt strong. Yesterday gave me rest. Today gave me energy. After 1 week, I learned something. Yesterday is not the enemy. Yesterday is the teacher. It shows us mistakes. It shows us feelings. It shows us choices. But regret is heavy. Regret keeps us stuck. Learning is light. Learning moves us forward. I learned, forgetting is not the end. It is a chance to plan. Speaking too fast is not shame. It is a chance to slow down. Eating too much is not failure. It is a chance to balance. Missing a call is not the end. It is a chance to care. Being late is not forever. It is a chance to prepare. Arguing is not the end of friendship. It is a chance to forgive. Feeling tired is not weakness. It is a chance to rest. Now I see yesterday in a new way. It is not a chain. It is not a prison. It is a book of lessons. I can open it. I can take one lesson. I can carry it into today. And I can walk forward. Closing thought: to learn from yesterday without regret is to grow. It is to accept mistakes. It is to forgive ourselves. It is to forgive others. It is to choose peace. It is to choose strength. It is to choose freedom. Yesterday is gone. But yesterday is the teacher. And today is the student. When we learn, we grow. When we grow, we become adults who know regret is heavy. Learning is light. Choose learning. Choose today. Choose tomorrow.